Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at T-Mobile? This is ticker TMUS. Now, a handful of the mobile phone companies like T-Mobile and AT&T are actually holding up really well. We can see these charts look pretty similar. We have AT&T in a nice uptrend near the highs, and we have T-Mobile in a nice uptrend and near the highs. And so I would definitely keep an eye on some of these stocks, specifically on T-Mobile here, because we had a nice update today and a close just under some of the resistance from back in November before it pulled back under the 50-day moving average. So if you're a breakout buyer, I think T-Mobile should be at the top of your watch list. I would have an alert on T-Mobile right around $248 and look for a move and a close above that level coming on volume for a potential breakout buy here on T-Mobile. So that's a really quick setup on this stock, and I got more tonight for premium members of our service at StockMarketMentor.com. If you're watching this on YouTube and want to take a trial, click the link in the description below, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.